Yo, what's going on, everybody, and welcome back to another weekly outlook video. So as you can see, I did change my charts just a tad bit. I got different colors for the candles, and I got my zones marked up a little different. And as you can see, I also got some moving averages on my chart, but I digress. Let's get right into my current outlook for the Dow Jones. So right now, if I zoom out a little bit, I'm currently bearish when it comes to the Dow Jones at this moment in time. I see that it's nearing an area of resistance. So I'm going to keep a lookout and keep an eye on this area just to see how price reacts when it gets there. It did touch the top of the moving averages and it's showing some bearish momentum at this moment in time. So it's going to be really interesting to see how the market plays out this week, knowing that it's at a key level or a key zone of interest, which is this orange zone here and also these moving averages here. So all I'm going to be doing right now for the Dow Jones is I'm going to be going on the 5-minute time frame. My markups right now are based on the 4-hour time frame. So all I'm going to do is go down to the 5-minute time frame and basically flow with structure. As you can see, I have all these higher low points forming right here. So that means that currently price right now is in a bullish trend on the 5-minute time frame. So as long as price can maintain these areas of support, and actually right here is the most recent area of support. Let me just mark that off. So if price can continue to maintain this level of support and also stay above the moving averages, then I'm pretty valid for the buys at this point in time. So this right here on the 5-minute time frame is just a counter trend move, right? The overall bias is still bearish, but right now on the 5-minute time frame, it's just a counter trend, a bullish counter trend. So as long as price can maintain these areas of support, specifically this area of support right here, and as long as it's trading above the moving averages, then right now I would remain bullish. So that's pretty much it. This video is going to be pretty short. I'm not looking for sells yet until I see a break of market structure, which is just a break of the support followed by a retest. So as long as price stays above here, and if it does this, like breaks past the support, then comes up here and then continues to sell down, that looks crazy. I would look for shorts possibly along these areas here. Wow, that looks horrible. Let me actually go back and use a different tool because that is definitely not it. So as you can see, the flow of price, right? We have higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, high, and now we're retesting that previous low. So as long as price can maintain this area, I'm looking for buys up to this area, or if it breaks past this area of support, I would just wait for the pullback and then pretty much get in on sells in this push further down. Also, I would need some confirmations such as price being under the moving averages as well. But currently, as things stand at this moment in time, I'm bullish until I see a break of support followed by a shift of the moving averages. If price is below the moving averages and it's also below this area of support, then I know that I'm going back to my overall bearish bias. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks again for tuning in, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Take care.